Today is replace the blinker, or I mean the turn signal stock here on the car on a 95 Mustang GT. This is a new car my wife recently got, and for the business. And what's weird is the blinkers sometimes work, they don't work. And being a rental car and all, obviously I got to have reliability on this. It might actually be the turn, it might actually be this hazard light button that's broken. So I'm going to replace the stock. If that doesn't happen, I'll have to figure this button out, because when I turn on the hazard, sometimes they work. Sometimes one side only works, so it could be, it's either the stock or it's this. Regardless, I'm going to go ahead and replace the stock, and then if that doesn't 100% fix it, then I'll go from there. But you do have to remove the kick plate to get to the back screw to remove this cover here. And I didn't break any. Ooh. Car's clean. Replacement part on the stock is SW155. It's an absolute pain getting this top piece on and off. Sure that it's stocks all the way down. All right, blinkers work now.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.